This jailbreak was fast. The device is on iOS 26.4.1 and the whole thing was open within minutes. It starts on Safari over at uncover.vip. The app pulls up immediately, and after hitting jailbreak and allowing the profile download, settings is the next stop. From there, where the downloaded profile is already waiting, tap it, hit install, drop the passcode in, and install again. Uncover is on the home screen from there, ready to run. The moment the jailbreak button is tapped, it kicks off without hesitation. It works through everything cleanly, no stalls, no hiccups, just a steady run from beginning to end. Then comes the respring. What that does is bring the device back up with everything already in place. And when the screen comes back on, Cilio is just there on the home screen, ready to go. First thing worth exploring through Cilio is a tweak called Premium. It's an icon customization tool. Colors, styles, shapes, the entire visual layer of the interface becomes something you can actually control. Gives the whole setup a feel that's nothing like stock iOS. A quick check after installing confirms it came through perfectly, no issues, start to finish, a remarkably clean jailbreak for iOS 26.4.1.